What if everything we thought we knew about the ancient world was wrong? What if ancient civilizations didn't struggle to survive in primitive times, but thrived with the same technologies we use today, thousands of years ahead of schedule? Picture this. Egyptian pharaohs not just ruling with superstition and symbols, but supported by artificial intelligence systems that predicted floods, economic trends, even political unrest. Their decisions driven by data, not omens. And the Great Pyramids? Not built by tens of thousands of laborers over decades, but assembled in weeks using massive robotic arms and precision-guided drones. Each stone, laser-aligned. Each structure, perfectly calculated. Now, shift to the dense jungles of Mesoamerica. The Mayans weren't just stargazers, they were space pioneers. With satellites launched into orbit, they mapped the heavens with more accuracy than NASA ever imagined. Their intricate stone calendars evolve into quantum-synced digital systems, tracking not only solar cycles, but shifts in dark matter, planetary alignments, even black hole activity. Time redefined. They could predict solar eclipses to the second, or warn of hurricanes, droughts, and volcanic eruptions days before they struck. Their technology not only read the skies, it protected their people. Meanwhile, across the continent, in ancient China, the Great Wall becomes more than a barrier. It runs parallel with ultra-fast maglev trains, gliding silently from one dynasty to the next in under an hour. Paper, the great Chinese invention, transforms instantly into digital publishing. Imagine a monk writing ancient philosophy and uploading it instantly across a global network of stone temples turned data hubs. In ancient Greece, the open forums echo with debate. But this time, Socrates and Plato are joined by AI-powered assistants, machines that process every known argument in seconds, and challenge them to think deeper than ever before. Archimedes doesn't just draw designs in the sand. He 3D prints them. Gears, levers, hydraulic machines, prototypes that would have taken centuries are ready in minutes. In Rome, aqueducts carry water not just with stone and gravity, but with embedded sensors that detect leaks, measure purity, and reroute flow using smart valves. Their cities become self-sustaining eco-machines. Roman roads are no longer just for marching legions. They glow at night with solar-powered lanes, and GPS systems guide horse-drawn chariots with pinpoint precision. Far to the north, Viking explorers outfit their dragon-headed longships with sonar and radar. They brave uncharted waters not with myth, but with real-time oceanic data, satellite maps, and climate analysis. They chart the globe centuries before anyone else. Their maps aren't drawn on parchment. They float in midair, built with augmented reality and guided by the stars. In India, the ancient practice of Ayurveda merges with biotechnology. Healing herbs are scanned, sequenced, and enhanced with nanomedicine. Natural treatments evolved to molecular perfection. Remote Himalayan villages receive medical drones, delivering custom treatments tailored to each person's DNA. A fusion of ancient spirit and scientific exactness. And imagine this. The Library of Alexandria never burns. Because knowledge travels instantly, digitized and encrypted across continents, preserved by cloud-like networks built into ancient monuments. Governments don't collapse into war and tyranny. Instead, digital democracies rise. Ancient empires governed by transparency, data sharing, and real-time consensus from their citizens. And just when conflict is about to erupt, messages of peace appear midair between armies, stopping war before it begins. A single shared truth becomes more powerful than 1,000 swords. In this alternate history, the past is not left behind. It evolves fused with futuristic technology. A world where ancient wisdom and modern science walk side by side, shaping something truly extraordinary. So, what do you think would have happened if ancient civilizations had the tools we have now? Would we be exploring galaxies today instead of still struggling with history? Let us know in the comments. What civilization would you want to see reimagined with modern tech? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more mind-warping explorations. Only on MindMorph.